WMF Peak 50 Milk Cooler Installation. Screw the feet onto the cooler. Please note, do not lay the unit flat while doing this. Lift the cooler slightly to screw on the included feet. Remove the rubber stud cover on the side of the cooler. Now remove the adapter from the milk hose. Feed the milk hose through the side opening into the interior of the cooler. Now reattach the adapter to the milk hose. Then attach the hose with the adapter to the milk container. Connect the power cord and plug the power cord into an outlet. Turn on the cooler using the toggle switch on the back. The cooler's display will now light up. Set the desired temperature now. To do this, tap the display, select the settings icon, and use the arrow keys to set the temperature. Confirm your selection again by tapping the icon. It is now cooling down to the desired temperature. Your milk cooler is now ready to use.